Hey Samsung fans! Glowing Star, get ready for an exclusive look at the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra. We're diving into all the juicy details, leaks, and rumors about Samsung's most powerful phone yet. From design changes to cutting-edge features, let's explore what makes the S25 Ultra a game-changer. Stay connected. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things Samsung. Now, let's get started. Main content. Release date and design. Samsung assures us that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will arrive in early 2025, likely around late January during Galaxy Unpacked. While it will resemble the current S24 Ultra, expect some notable variations. Recent leaks show dummy units with black and white rear frames, rounded corners, and flatter sides. These softer corners could be a welcome change for many users. Performance and features. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to impress with the new Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU and 16GB of RAM. Leaked benchmarks suggest it will handle mobile games effortlessly. Samsung is introducing Game Assist, a feature that upscales games from 60Hz to 120Hz for smoother gameplay. AI integration. AI is at the forefront of the Galaxy S25 series, with potential generative AI features integrated with Bixby, aiming to compete with other smart assistants like ChatGPT. One UI 7 and satellite connectivity. One UI 7 promises new icons, a fluid experience, and improved search functionality. Additionally, the S25 series might include satellite connectivity, ensuring communication even without regular network coverage. Hardware and pricing. With 16GB of RAM and UFS 4.1 speeds, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to be a powerhouse. However, the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset could increase the starting price to over $1,400, making it one of the most expensive flagships on the market. Conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an exciting flagship with AI advancements, satellite connectivity, and top-notch performance. However, the rumored price increase might make it a tough choice compared to rivals like the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Pixel 9 Pro XL. What do you think about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Victory Han. I hope this rewritten script is more engaging and SEO-friendly for your YouTube channel. If you need any more tweaks or additions, feel free to ask. Smiling face with smiling eyes.